Hi, Group 2 friends. This is Mrs. Nelson, and we will be working on building your understanding of place value. So, we are going to be working, you are Group 2 work, so you will have this sheet in front of you as you are working. So, make sure you have your pencil. Make sure you are working with me. So, it says here, label each digit with the place value name. Okay, so what is the place value name? So just like yesterday, you put down, here's the ones, the tens, and this is the hundreds. Okay, again, the ones, the tens, place, and the hundreds. Okay, because you have the 6 in the hundreds place, so you have 6, it says 6 100s, 10 6 100s, 10 100s, 2 ones. Okay, 2 100s, 2 10s, 2 4 ones. Just name the place values, that's all I want you to do here, okay? Now, as we are moving here, we're moving down to questions 3 and 4. It wants you to think about the actual value of the underlying digits. How much are they worth? Now, we have, if you remember, the standard form here. This is just standard form, okay? That means it tells you, I have 5. If I look at this one, I have 5 $1 bills. I have two $10 bills, 2 pieces of paper. I have 8 pieces of paper, right here, 8 pieces of paper, 2 pieces of paper, 5 pieces of paper. So, what is the value of the underlined digit? Meaning, how much is that 2 $10 pieces of paper? If I have 2 pieces of paper, 1, 2, how much are 2 of them together? What's the value? How much money do I have all together? Well, I have $20. That's what I have. Now we're going to look at, we have 4 $1 bills, 3 $10 bills, 3 of them, 1, 2, 3, and we have 3 $100 bills, 100, 100, 100. Again, when you look at this, how much is each digit worth? We know we have 3 pieces of paper in the hundreds place, 3 pieces of paper. You have that, okay? But how much is it worth? Well, 3 pieces of paper is worth 300. 300. Okay, that's what it's worth. Okay. Expanded form, we're moving to questions 5 and 6. Expanded form. Expanded form takes, this is called the standard numbers. These are standard numbers, okay? And they are really, they just tell you how many pieces of paper you have in each place value. 3 $1 bills, 7 $10 bills. Now you have to tell me how much each of those digits is worth. Okay, so I have 7 $10 bills. So that's 70 because that's how much 7 $10 bills are worth. Plus 3 $1 bills, that's worth $3. All together, that's what the parentheses means. They're all together. So you can't just give away $3 and still have $73. Okay, I have 5 $100 bills. I have 5 Benjamins. How much money do I have? I have 5. This says I have 5 pieces of paper. But how much is that paper worth? Well, it's those 5 pieces of paper are worth 500. I have 2 $10 bills, 2 pieces of paper. But how much is that paper worth? It's worth 20. I have 8 $1 bills. How much money do I have altogether? $8. I put that all in parentheses because that is expanded form. The parentheses tell me it's all together. Okay, so we're going to move on. Remember, pause the video at any time if you are confused. Let me know. All right, so now we're going opposite. We're going standard. We have to take an expanded number. This number right here, it's expanded. We need to write it in standard form. Standard form, meaning I want to know how many pieces of paper you're going to have. If you have $40, well, I'm going to have 4 $10 bills. If I have $1 bill in my pocket, how much money do I have? I'll have 41. 40 plus 1 is 41. Okay? And again, it's asking me, look at this. How many groups of 10 are there in 634? Okay? We've done this before. Look, it's asking you tens place. How many tens? So I underline the 3 and I circle everything in front of it. That tells you that there are 63 tens. I have, because there's 600, so I have 60 tens plus 3 tens. Because there are 10 tens in 100. So I have 10 tens, 10 tens, 10 tens, 10 tens, 10 tens. I have 60 tens. Okay? 6 groups of 10 plus 3. That's how many groups of 10 are in that number, 634. The 4 doesn't count because you don't have a group of 10. You only have 4. You would need to have 6 more to make 10. So you can't count that. You can't count the 3. All right, so that's this. Get your worksheet. Get it turned in so you can move to group 3 for more of the same. See you soon. Bye.